how to fix if won't send text messages on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time, you will see, and restart device from here. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library. So go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all messages. After click on see all messages and search messages app from here. Click on messages app, click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, so check your internet connection. After check your internet connection is work properly. After the process, go back to click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system, and click on reset option and click on reset network setting. After click on reset network setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if won't send text messages on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.